they're clapping. Oh my god. สวัสดีครับยินดีต้อนรับครับเข้าสู่ช่องของเราDing ding ding. Hello, 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 my beautiful, lovely angels. This is Jet from the Philippines. I am a reactor, and if you do have some videos, guys, that you want me to react, let me know down in the comments below because we're gonna go ahead and talk there. And today, I am coming with you guys with another video coming from Thailand. Well, basically, I saw this on one of the reaction of Gina Suwade. If you haven't subscribed to his channel, guys, go to his channel because he is also amazing reactor. So partial, not really partial, but like I haven't seen the entire music video of this particular reaction of him. So yeah, I am really excited guys to see that, and I could not wait to see it. Before anything else, guys, want to say hi to you guys. How are you guys doing today? I do hope that you do have a wonderful day today. My name is Jet from the Philippines. I am a reactor, and if you're new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed yet, you can go ahead and click on the subscribe button down there. Yes, the red button is to subscribe, and don't forget to click on a tiny bell represent the subscribe button so that you get notified once I uploaded a video. And also guys, let me know in the comments as well, what are your favorite videos that you want me to react next. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to share this video to your friends and loved ones. And lastly, please do help me reach 17,000 subscribers by the end of this month. So please do help me with that, okay? And I cannot wait to see this, guys. So without further ado, let's get started to the video. Okay. Oh, I think that's a message to the frontliner, or like a stay at home or something. Okay, why are they clapping? Let me check if this video has subtitles, okay? And it doesn't have, guys, so please let me know in the comments what is the song is all about. Okay, why are they clapping? I'm just really confused now. I think, hold on, let me just figure this out, okay? I think they're clapping. Oh my god. Don't tell me that they're clapping for, you know, for the frontliners of Thailand. Because, you know, as of the moment, Thailand has also increasing numbers of positive when it comes to the COVID-19. And yeah. Oh my god, thinking right now, it makes me chills. And yeah, I think clapping is the way Thai is to appreciate the hard work of the frontliners, which is the nurses, doctors, and the medics, or even guards, security guards of the hospital. Yeah, I love this message. Yes, I'm pretty much sure that they are clapping, you know, because they are saluting. Saluting, is that the word? A simple clap or a simple salute to the rest of the frontliners or the doctors. Wow. The rest. Oh my god. Okay. This is really amazing. This is a really nice Okay, can someone tells me, guys, right now, who is the, what do you call it? Who is the author of this clapping thing? Aww. What did they say? Kopong cup? Are they saying thank you? Wow. Wow. This is really amazing, you know, because Thai are so very united right now when it comes to that, because you know, they wanted to express their feeling, because they wanted to cheer the doctors and the nurses that, you know, take good care of those positive, and not even, I don't know, guys, because here in the Philippines right now, a lot of people are really stubborn when it comes to not following instructions, because basically right now, I don't know, or I lost already count when we started, or like in my city right now, guys. I think we are on the 15th or the 25th day of the community, what do you call it, ECQ, yeah, enhanced community quarantine. And yeah, still a lot of because right now in our province, the positive people are really increasing, and there are some state in our you know, in our city, or like the barangay, or like the municipality, closed their doors, or like close their what do you call it, state, just to, you know, basically they're locked down right now because of the positive. And like most of them, or like most of the cases are coming in a squatter area, wherein like the houses are really you know, are really close to each other, and there's no proper distancing, if you know what I mean. I don't know in Thailand, I haven't seen any rural part, or like squatter area. I only seen a lot of good stuff in Thailand. So, or although in our apartment, I only saw apartments, schools, and that.
สวัสดีค่ะเรามาร่วมปรบมือให้กำลังใจนะคะนักรบด่านหน้าของเราก็คือแพทย์พยาบาลเจ้าหน้าที่สาธารณสุขทุกท่านที่ได้เสียสละทำงานอย่างหนักนะคะเพื่อพวกเราแล้วก็ทำให้พวกเราเนี่ยได้มีที่พึ่งเป็นนักรบด่านหน้าของเราจริงๆนะคะวันนี้แพทย์พยาบาลแล้วก็เจ้าหน้าที่สาธารณสุขเหนื่อยกันมากนะคะทั้งเครื่องไม้เครื่องมือก็อาจจะยังไม่เพียงพอต้องเสี่ยงกับอันตรายอยู่ทุกๆวันแต่ทุกท่านเสียสละนะคะเราก็ขอให้กำลังใจนะคะในฐานะที่เคยทำงานนะคะที่กระทรวงสาธารณสุขมาระยะหนึ่งก็รู้สึกชื่นชมแพทย์พยาบาลและเจ้าที่สาธารณสุขของเรานะคะเชื่อว่าความสามารถของทุกท่านนั้นมีเปี่ยมล้นความตั้งใจของทุกท่านมีเปี่ยมล้นเราได้เคยทำงานด้วยกันสู้กับซาร์สหวัดนกแม้แต่สึนามิก็ได้กำลังของพี่น้องสาธารณสุขนี่แหละค่ะทั้งแพทย์พยาบาลและเจ้าหน้าที่สาธารณสุขทุกท่านนะคะเราขอให้กำลังใจนะคะด้วยเสียงปรบมือค่ะ
Yeah, this is really a good message from that lady, and yeah, again, salute to the frontliner everywhere in the world, even here in the Philippines. Okay, so going back with my topic, like yeah, the houses are really close to each other, and like staying at home is not advisable according to some, because if you're going to stay at home and then you are living in a squatter area, and then it's too hot here in the Philippines right now. Last day or like previous days, they're like the heat temperature increased into 39 degrees, but like that is already past body temperature, and that is so hot. So a lot of squatter areas has like, you know, a community, like you have to cross over some doors and then that's it, which is really alarming. So right now here in I'm touched. This is really nice. This is really nice. This is really nice. Yeah, I really hope that we can, you know, our government will, or like even the doctors will seek medicine for a faster, you know, faster solution for this pandemic, because this is really, you know, very alarming, and I'm hoping that we will, you know, hand by hand, we will pass this pandemic really soon. And yeah, again, stay at home, guys. Stay at home. If you're going to go out, please make sure to wash your clothes right away, or even sanitize your body right after, because no one knows, you will be carrying that virus right in front of your family. So like, please take good care of yourself, okay? And yeah, let's I'm gonna go and see you next time. Bye.